Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I'm present. Mr. Flores, he's also present. Your Honor, this is our first setting, and he's just notified me that he wishes to hire an attorney.
All right, let's find out. Hi, my understanding is you're going to hire an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
When?
ASAP, like as soon as I leave.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 3-week reset on Anthony Flores. At that time, you need to have an attorney here with you. Otherwise, this is going to be your attorney. You understand?
Sounds good.
All right, what date, Ms. Ferguson? Yes. All right, September 8th.
Okay,
Thank you for dressing appropriate for court. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring you your reset.
Thank you.
thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Rafael Gonzalez Sanchez.
Very good. Morning, Judge. How are you?
Morning, how are you doing?
Doing well.
Morning. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
Yes, Judge. So I'm still downloading. There's a lot of videos in this case. I'm still downloading those. I have spoken with the state. They have tendered an offer. It looks like it's good for 30 days. And there is a motion pending for a modification of bond conditions that I'd like to also set for as early as we can, ideally Monday of next week.
So what is the modification of the bond conditions about?
We're requesting, my client is currently on a tether, full house arrest. We're simply going to be asking for a modification to tracking only or fully removal.
Right, so what does he need it removed for? I mean, what's the reason?
So currently he's unable to work.
So then you want it
full house.
partial for employment?
Yes, Judge.
Have you conferred with the state about that?
Yes, Judge. They don't oppose. They don't seem to oppose on the partial. But I understand that Your Honor needs a hearing.
We can, if y'all are ready, we'll have a hearing right now.
Yeah, state's in agreement to partial GPS for employment only and with a restrictive time period of maybe 8 to 5, so he can do his employment.
All right, and so you filed the motion already?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have a copy
I
with?
believe I have a copy of it here.
If not, I still have that. If you want to do it.
Yes, please. And it's on 2 cases. So these are the proposed blank orders, Judge.
All right, so this PF number, is that, which one? Which PF number is the indicted case, or is there 3 cases?
2 cases. It should be a burglary of a have and then a continuous family violence.
Those are, if you want to write it in your honor, those all got combined into one indictment.
Oh, so it's, all right. So then it's just the 2025 CR 007805 for both?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Here's a subtle but powerful move. The judge thanks a defendant for dressing appropriately. Courts take attire very seriously. It shows respect for the process. Question for you. Do you think dress codes in court are fair? Or should people be judged only on the facts of their case?
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 007805 State versus Rafael Gonzalez Sanchez. Could I have parties announced, please?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
It's Cesar Montalvo for the defendants.
All right, and are you Rafael Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, you're here requesting a modification of bond conditions. Off the record, it was my understanding that there was an agreement
Yes, Your
from
Honor.
both parties, and what is that agreement?
That agreement is to have the defendant's conditions modified from full house arrest to partial GPS house arrest with the opportunity for him to go to work with a window of 8 to 5 only. Otherwise, after that, he has to be at home.
That is our understanding, Your Honor.
All right. And also, you understand that you're not to have any contact with the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have contact with the complainant, if you violate these GPS conditions, the court will receive a report of the violation. With GPS, if it's partial for employment, let me just tell you what that means because sometimes people are confused about it. If you are going to work or getting off of work and you're driving and there's an HEB right on your route, or there's a fast food place right on your route and you're like, it's right on my route, let me stop here. That's a violation of your GPS conditions. The only thing you will be allowed to do on GPS is go to work and return home, nothing in between. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor, I want to add that my job is HVAC and we travel sometimes to different cities. I understand they can probably keep me in the city, but I do travel from place to place, restaurants, hospitals, and
All right, hear me clearly. If you stop at a place and you're not there for employment, it's going to be a violation of your GPS.
Okay.
You understand?
yes, Your Honor.
And it would probably be in your best interest if you are going to a specific place and it's a restaurant or some other convenience store or whatever it may be, that you let GPS know that you're there for work. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So I'll follow your agreement if you'll fill that out, please.
Thank you, Judge.
We can go off the record. Now, Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 45-day reset, please? And if you all both sign that once you filled it out.
I will do, Judge. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
All right, September 29th is going to be your plea deadline date. So on that date, you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not reached an agreement, then your next court date is going to be a jury trial date. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring your reset form to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
The sunglasses moment. The judge actually tells the defendant he can keep his shades on. Don't be too cool, judge. This is that rare glimpse of humor in a courtroom where everything usually feels tense and heavy. Do you like judges who keep it light, or should they stay 100% serious?
And state on that partial GPS for employment, did you say from 8 to 5? And if y'all can make sure you put in there the no contact. And state with regards to pretrial services, they're going to want you to put on there specifically that he's allowed to travel throughout Texas for work.
Judge Maverick?
Yes. And if you want to get a copy, you can get a copy and then just make sure it's turned in to the clerks.
Will do, Judge. Who will be excused otherwise?
Yes.
Thank you.
DeAnthony Germonte Gordley.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Well, just funny yourself.
Oh, I cannot complain. You know, any day you're currently alive and your health is okay, it's a beautiful day. Right.
I feel great.
All right. So on this case, where are we on Discovery Council?
I
I
believe,
understand it's been completed,
yes, Your Honor.
and the at-large case?
That was supposed to be filed, but I just got told this morning it hadn't been filed yet. The judge had to sign it. So,
What is the at-large case?
it's an ABI misdemeanor.
All right. Yes.
So that at-large case is a misdemeanor. I've been in communication with the misdemeanor prosecutor. It has been evaluated and has been sent like to a misdemeanor judge to sign off on the probable cause affidavit. So that's what we are waiting on. It's from the same criminal transaction as the felony. And I have given them a global offer that would encompass both cases.
All right. So is this a situation where this can't be accomplished until the misdemeanor?
Yes, Judge, because that pursuant to the agreement, it's entering into something on the misdemeanor in exchange for getting something on the felonies.
All right. And which court is that?
So since it's an at-large case, it hasn't been assigned to a court yet, so it will be with whoever is the presiding misdemeanor judge.
All
But I
right. So,
did send the email when, because we worked it out last time and the person from my office said I sent it off and it should be signed, but I checked this morning and it has not.
all right. And I noticed that this case has been on docket since June, waiting, I guess, for somebody to sign something. All right. Miss Ferguson.
Yes,
This is going to be the final setting for this to be completed, and it should be completed by then.
Yes, ma'am.
If it's not completed by then phone calls need to be made. Ms. Ferguson, a 30-day reset, and this is going to be your plea deadline date, and it's the final plea deadline date. All right, September 15th. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you. Once you sign that, you're excused.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I did.
All right, thank you. And Norma, what page was Gortley on? Thank you. Who's here on Andrew Thomas Reyes?
Here, Your Honor.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, so where are we on discovery?
Sorry, go ahead. We need to move the evidence, Judge, from co-defendants into this defendant's case. I also need to review to see if there was a search warrant executed or the state of how this case came to be. But I can do that today.
Okay,
He also has, Your Honor, what is currently an unfiled endangered child case.
okay.
This bond modification request is huge. The defendant's attorney wants house arrest swapped for just GPS tracking so the client can work. This is where legal strategy meets real life, balancing public safety with the defendant's right to earn a living. What would you decide here if you were the judge?
And that co-defendant case, is that the B case?
I don't know if you recall those ones we handled 2 days ago with Miss, it was Cornelius Cox and.
Kelly and Jacob are.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes.
that case. All right, Norma, what date did I give Suzanne Kramer and Cornelius Cox?
There you go, Susan.
And that was
I
from
believe it was
yesterday.
next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday? I think you are correct. Rick, your bind is a steel trap.
I think you are.
I think Cornelius is sooner than that, correct?
The 19th was Cornelius and Kramer's was the 26th.
All right. So y'all will be back on the 19th.
It just,
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, just have a seat and they'll give you the reset form. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Larry Garcia.
Judge, he's at TA right now.
All right, let me,
Yeah.
all right. Let me see if he's on a PR bond. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 00778 State versus Larry R. Garcia. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Robert Gaona for the defendant.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 10:18 a.m. Deputy Laura, was an announcement made?
Yes, Your Honor, and I was keeping that out there.
All right, and the defendant has not appeared. Counsel, do you know where your client is?
No, Judge, I'm reading the report. My number's no good. So.
All right, state.
Locating it.
All right, thank you. State your request.
We're requesting a judge's warrant, Your Honor.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. James Edward Sanchez.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.